A very warm welcome to all of you who have come to this event to remember and celebrate Shumit Sarkar. We will not begin with the usual minute silence because Shumit would not have liked that kind of veneration. Instead, today we will listen to music that he loved and we will hear about him from friends, colleagues, and fellow scholars. Over the last few days, we have read and heard so many tributes to Shumit's scholarship, his political commitment, and his teaching. I myself was a student of Shumit's in Delhi University in the 1990s. A few days ago, we had a memorial for him at the Department of History, where faculty who had been his students reminisced about him. But what I found truly extraordinary was that the room was packed to the rafters with students who had never known him personally and had not been taught by him, but who encountered him through his work, through his reputation as someone who was deeply committed to teaching and to the classroom. In these difficult times, not least for the discipline of history and for the public university, Shumit's memory means a great deal to all of us. We're going to begin with Rabindra Sangeet. Rita Jyoti is going to sing for us. The song is Bipulo Torongo Re. This was a favorite of Shumit's that's been chosen by Tanika for today. The song evokes a vast wave of joy that sweeps through creation, dissolving past and future in its luminous tide. Sun, moon, and stars sway to its rhythm. Consciousness trembles awake. The world breaks into dance, and the heart finds its song.
জীবনে চঞ্চল একই আনন্দ তরঙ্গ বিপুল তরঙ্গ রে বিপুল তরঙ্গ রে তাই দুলিছে দিনকর চন্দ্র তারা চমকে কম্পিছে চেতনা ধারা দুলিছে দিনকর চন্দ্র তারা চমকে কম্পিছে চেতনা ধারা আকুল চঞ্চল নাচে সংসার আকুল চঞ্চল নাচে সংসার কুহরে হৃদয় বিহঙ্গ বিপুল তরঙ্গ রে বিপুল তরঙ্গ রে সব গগন উদ্বেলিয়া মগন করি অতীত অনাগত আলোকে উজ্জ্বল জীবনে চঞ্চল একই আনন্দ তরঙ্গ বিপুল তরঙ্গ রে